Library. The library function provides you access to all central PowerPoint content. Empower grants two ways of how you can work with the library. Either you open the library full screen via the Library button in the Empower tab, or you use Quick Access from the right-hand side. This video will explain to you the structuring of the main library. Once you have opened the library by clicking on its button, a dialog box will open. Here, you will see the folder arrangement of the library on the left, which has been constructed in congruence with Microsoft's Explorer. The library is organized in three parts: Company Library, User Library, and Template Library. The Company Library should contain completed slides and presentations that is to be made available to the whole company. Ideally, all employees possess reading rights and are able to access this crucial company content. The User Library is user-specific. Every user of Empower has his own library in which he is able to set up his own individual slide library. This is where projects are stored that have not yet been completed and are not to be shared with all employees. Via Settings, you are able to assign rights to individual employees to access specific folders in your user library. This way, you can collaborate on certain projects. Once other users provide you access to folders, they will also appear in your library. The Corporate Design Template section is accessible by the whole company, granted that at least reading rights are provided, and contains templates such as for slides, diagrams, and pictures. This section should be centrally administered and provide templates with which employees are able to quickly and simply create CD-conform presentations. The Recycle bin receives all items you wish to delete from your library. By default, every one of these items will be irreversibly deleted after 6 days. The length of time until permanent deletion can be extended. Until this time period lapses, you have the possibility to restore these items via a right-click. They will then be returned to the folder that they were deleted from. Once you select a folder of your library on the left-hand side, its contained items will be shown on the right. Here, an item can be as much as a complete presentation, a single slide, or an object, such as a diagram or text box. An icon on the bottom right delineates what kind of item it is. Of course, masters can also be placed in the library. Every item is able to be supplemented with further metadata such as author, date modified, and number of paste operations that can be viewed company-wide. In order to view an item in a larger preview, simply click on the magnifying glass on the bottom left. Within the main library, you can, granted you possess the necessary authorization, change the order of displayed items simply via drag and drop. A single click on the Favorite button, see below, allows you to add an item to Favorites. The item concerned will then also be displayed in a Favorites folder in the Quick Access pane.